Hey guys, it's raining. We're in Harborview. Even though it's raining, I have to do this delivery. This is a major delivery. Guess what it is today? Remember when I asked you to send a food box to Mama? Here it is, a flat rate food box. Why do barrels? Who does barrels anymore? Send a box with food and it does the exact same thing. We deliver it to you at your doorstep. Watch me lift out this one. Remember, I got it. Turn it right over. Oh, just leaving right on the veranda for you. So, our flat rate food boxes come in 4 sizes. Small, medium, large, extra large.
A few moments ago.
With our flat rate food boxes, there are some charges you do not worry about. Shipping charges, logistics charges. Over? Yeah. Watch the bottom, look at the bottom of the dog. Alright, but most importantly, customs charges. So, put it beside it. So, if there's a product that you should use, it should be our flat rate food boxes. This is how we do it on the delivery trail. We get your items from overseas right to your doorstep in Jamaica.